Picture this. You've spent countless hours planning and designing your dream kitchen, only to realize it's not as functional or as aesthetically pleasing as you had imagined. Why? Because of some common design mistakes. These missteps, often overlooked in the excitement of creating a new space, can impact not only the look of your kitchen, but also its functionality. From poor lighting to inadequate storage, from inefficient layouts to mismatched styles, these common errors can turn your dream kitchen into a daily inconvenience. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll delve into some of these common kitchen design mistakes and offer tips on how to avoid them. So, whether you're planning a kitchen remodel or starting from scratch, you'll be well equipped to create a space that's as practical as it is beautiful. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we guide you to create the best living spaces. Prepare to avoid these kitchen design pitfalls. One of the most overlooked aspects of kitchen design is lighting. It's not just about making your kitchen bright. Now, what does that mean? It's about creating a balance of light that's both functional and warm. Imagine you're chopping vegetables, but the shadow of your own hand obscures the cutting board. This is where task lighting comes into play. It's the concentrated light that helps you perform specific tasks, like reading a recipe or stirring a pot. On the other hand, ambient lighting is the soft glow that fills the room, eliminating shadows and providing an overall illumination. It's the comforting light that invites you to step in, sit down, and feel at home. Lastly, we have accent lighting. This is the cherry on top. It's used to highlight design features like open shelving or a tile backsplash. It gives depth and dimension to your kitchen. But why does this matter? Poor lighting can affect both the functionality and mood of your kitchen. It can make tasks difficult and create an unwelcoming atmosphere. Layered lighting, on the other hand, ensures that your kitchen is not just a workspace, but a cozy hub of your home. Remember, a well-lit kitchen is a happy kitchen. Ever found yourself scrambling for space to store your kitchen essentials? That's because of insufficient storage. Now imagine a kitchen where every pot, pan, and utensil has its own dedicated spot. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? This dream can turn into reality with ample and smart storage solutions. Cabinets, drawers, and pantry areas, when thoughtfully designed, not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen, but also make your cooking experience a lot more enjoyable. Yet one of the common mistakes we often make is overlooking the necessity of these storage spaces. We get so caught up in the design and style that functionality takes a back seat. But remember, a kitchen without adequate storage is like a ship without a captain. It leads to clutter and inefficiency, making even the simplest of cooking tasks seem like a daunting challenge. So, when you're designing or renovating your kitchen, ensure you have enough storage for everything, from your smallest teaspoon to your largest casserole. A place for everything and everything in its place, that's the key to a clutter-free kitchen. The heart of your kitchen lies in its layout. A poor layout can make your kitchen a nightmare to navigate. Now, let's delve into the concept of the kitchen work triangle. This is the invisible bond that exists between your sink, stove, and refrigerator. These 3 points form the heart of your kitchen's functionality. If any of these points is out of sync or placed improperly, it can lead to an inefficient layout. Imagine trying to prepare a meal, but having to cross the entire kitchen just to wash your hands or get a cold ingredient. It's not just inconvenient, it's a recipe for frustration. Inefficient layouts also hamper cooking and cleaning tasks. Let's say you're trying to prepare a festive dinner. You're juggling multiple pots and pans on the stove, and you need to constantly access the sink and the fridge. If these are not within easy reach, your cooking process becomes a daunting task, and the joy of cooking can quickly turn into a chore. And it's not just about the work triangle. An efficient kitchen layout also takes into account the traffic flow and space for appliances. Your kitchen is a busy place. It's where you prepare meals, maybe where your kids do their homework, and where your family and friends gather during parties. So it's crucial to consider how people will move around in the space. You don't want your oven door blocking the way every time it's opened, right? And what about your appliances? They need their own space too. Your shiny new coffee maker or your high-tech blender shouldn't have to compete for counter space with your chopping board. Planning an adequate space for appliances in your layout can save you a lot of daily hassle. So when you're designing your kitchen, don't just think about the color of the cabinets or the type of countertop. Think about how you'll actually use the space. When it comes to kitchen layout, always remember functionality over aesthetics. There you have it, some of the most common design mistakes that can ruin your kitchen. We've talked about the pitfalls of poor lighting, how insufficient storage can add to clutter, and the frustrations that come with an inefficient layout. But remember, these are all avoidable with careful planning and thoughtful design. A kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of your home. It deserves your attention and consideration to become both functional and beautiful. And here's where you come in. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you made any of these mistakes in your kitchen? Perhaps you've discovered solutions we haven't covered? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights are valuable not just to us, but to the entire Serene Shelter community. And if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home living tips and tricks. Let's create better living spaces together. Until next time, keep your living spaces serene.